Hey fourth graders, my name is Miss Muldoon. I am the fourth grade resource room teacher. That means I teach math, reading, and writing. I'm looking forward to getting to meet you virtually and hopefully in person. This is my third year teaching fourth grade, but it's my second year at CHB. One thing you should know about me is that I really love animals. You may hear me speak often about my Old English Bulldog whose name is Butch. I adopted him 3 years ago. Another exciting thing that I'd like to share is that I'm getting married next year. I really enjoy reading, especially at night before bed, and I absolutely love math, and word problems are my favorite. The fourth grade team and I have a bunch of fun activities planned for this school year, and we're going to have a wonderful fourth grade year. Bye!